on YouTube? How's everyone doing? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic week. I am trying to keep these uploads constant. We got a lot of stuff going on. Like I said, we're getting back into the game pretty much. I know it's kind of been like a weird year of, kind of took some time off between my last deployment and moving and getting out and all that stuff, but I'm trying to keep an every other day schedule going. Today we're heading back to Eric's, which this video should be posted on Saturday. So it's actually, I don't know, I'm ahead right now, so it's gonna be a few days out. But anyways, I kind of got some news for you guys, which is probably very good for you guys. Not so good for my wallet or everything. My trans, I've been giving her hell for the last few days, so my trans is hurting a little bit. It still drives fine, but I've limped it twice racing on closed roads, you know, doing that kind of thing. So basically what that means is when we get over to Eric's, we're gonna give a call to PPE and see if we can secure a transmission rebuild kit, and we're gonna take the Allison over in the next few days and start working on tearing that out, or it's already tore down, laying it out, figuring out everything that we have. I want to buy my shafts, my intermediate shafts it's got like a nick in it, so I want to probably buy a new one. I don't think I'm going to go billet because there's no reason to for the red truck. We're going to do all clutches, and then yeah, so that whole video that I promised you guys is still a thing. It's still happening. It's just, it costs a lot of money, guys. As you know, transitioning out of the military, basically no job, to just running my own business and trying to figure all this stuff out has been quite the task. It's only been a week, and it's getting a little hectic. So just really trying to make that work, but it's time. It needs to happen. And just before we get into it, we will be rebuilding the valve body, but we're going to use the valve body out of the red truck currently, because the valve body that I have is actually an LB7 valve body. So there's a weird backstory to this built trans that I've had. I've had it for like 6 years, and it's been in like 3 different trucks. So it's originally from an 01 LB7. We are going to rebuild it. They're all pretty much the same, except the valve bodies on the LOI and newer have, I want to say it's a G or C solenoid, or E, I don't know, I'll have to look it up. But anyways, there's a solenoid that allows fluid to bypass and circulate while sitting like in traffic or at an idle pretty much. And what that does is it lets it cool off while you're not applying a gear or anything. Well, I mean, first gear is still technically applied, but when you're not moving pretty much, it's letting it cool off and stuff. To my understanding, I'm not a transmission expert, gonna learn it. I have the Allison book, we're gonna tear it down. But I just wanna let you guys know that that video is coming, and it'll probably be here in a couple weeks. It's gonna take a lot to edit it. And can you guys drop in the comments below how you want me to do it? Would you like video segments of each part and put in a playlist for a whole series? Or do you want one massive like hour-and-a-half video running you through the entire build, start to finish? Obviously time lapses, all that stuff will be put into, but it'll basically be an in-depth full one video. It's gonna take me a few weeks to film, but the whole thing. So just let me know what you want, because I can film them all and release them pretty much one day at a time. But I think I personally want to do one whole video, one massive video explaining everything. That way when you need to do it, you can sit down and watch it, just kind of rewind the part that you're doing, check it over, and you don't have to click on different videos for like the C1, the C2, the C3, the C4, you know, like so on and so forth. So probably gonna be a full video. Let me know what you guys want to see. I think that's the best way to do this. So anyways, we're gonna hit the road, we're gonna grab the dog, and we're gonna take off. So see you guys when we get to the truck. As you guys saw in the last video, it is running. We're gonna try and get it moved out of the shop today. So that's kind of the big goal for today. So we'll see. Man, that's a good sound to hear in the morning. Hear it? so the plan for today, oh, we got a dog fight. Yep, you guys getting angry? Ooh, sorry, Stella. Anyways, plan for today is, calm down. Plan for today is throw the drive shaft in, tighten up all the loose ends, and then throw the wheels on. And I think we're pretty much ready to go to get this thing off the lift and under its own weight for the first time in God knows how long.
It's been a long time.
It's been a while, so yeah, we're gonna throw the drive shaft in, clean up some of the stuff, and then see if we can get this truck out of here. Alrighty guys, got the tires back on. The truck is sitting on its own weight. The drive shaft's in. We put the bolt in for the dipstick tube up in there, which is kind of way back, and with a 3-inch downpipe it really sucks. Reconnected the steering shaft and pretty much got this thing all back together under its own weight, and we're gonna get ready to roll it out of here. So it's pretty much ready to go as far as wrapping up things to get it moving, at least so we can roll it down the road. So we'll be going for a ride in this hopefully here shortly with no issues. So it's ran for probably about an hour now, just letting it idle in the shop and stuff. Still no leaks, everything's looking good, so it's ready to go. Going on the maiden voyage, no interior, but it's cool. We don't need that where we're going, so. Seat looks a little tall for you, buddy.
It would have slammed that back door. Too hard, but.
Oh, I think you're still in tune 5, so.
What was that?
I think you're still in tune 5, so.
That's fine.
We don't have seats, remember?
Not used to it, bro. It's so touchy.
Or what, buddy? Can't shift hard for a little bit.
It's learning itself.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you think?
Killed it, bro. Best diesel mechanic I know. I'll take it for a drive.
Oh God. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. As you saw, we drove the truck. It's pretty much, we still got it idling in here. It's a few hours later, but pretty much everything is done. Next on the list is interior, paint, all the other stuff. So just kind of wrapping some stuff up. We got a few like fuel lines that we need to clean up. We ran some stuff just for the time being, but a few small little things just to really clean everything up. Get this truck off the paint, get the interior done, get it all assembled fully back together. That's it. It should be ready to go. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. We will be rebuilding more Duramaxes like this, full builds, top to bottom, and that transmission is coming your way soon. So gonna get the parts on order tomorrow. So we'll catch you guys later. I'm out. I need to go get some sleep for work tomorrow. You know, it's getting late. Always something. So we'll see you guys later.